hot that it's fogging up. Oh my god, it is so cool. Is it this one that we go to? Oh my god. What? Oh, we can come back down for that. We stayed 3 nights total at the Toy Story Hotel. So the first night we booked separately on the night of our arrival in Japan, and then the next 2 nights were part of a Disney vacation package. I did accidentally book a different room type, so we did have to move on our second morning, but that was fine because while we were enjoying our time inside Disneyland that first morning, they moved our luggage to the new room for us. So when we got back, we grabbed our new room key and went straight to our new room. Surprisingly, the Toy Story Hotel is one of the cheaper of the Disney-themed hotels, and it's one of the cheapest options if you're doing a Disney vacation package. We did the 2-night, 3-day Disney vacation package, which included 1 day at Disneyland and 2 days at Disney Sea, and that also included entry into the new Fantasy Springs area, which was part of why we did the Disney vacation package for this trip. Wait for a bit. Alright, we need to turn the light on. We are officially staying in Andy's room tonight, and this is so cool. So many little details make this such an awesome room. Let's see what our view is like. Even though it's dark, looking over the playground. Ooh, and the city. So we've got the trundle bed underneath there, and the 2 beds, which are small. This is the bathroom. So in here we have adorable little bath. You get all your little toiletries. And the toilet. So much attention to detail. It's so cool. And you have slippers and coat hangers. So that's the trundle bed when it comes out. And then there's also a pull-out bed that hides in the wall. So it's very cool. Very good for space saving since the beds are tiny. So in here there are Buzz Lightyear pajamas, which are so cute. If you do want the smaller sizes for the kids, you do have to go down to guest services and get those, so we're going to do that in a moment. There is also a convenience store located within the Toy Story Hotel. This stays open until midnight every night, and it is open early in the morning, so you can get dinners in there, lunches and snacks. There's also a lot of souvenirs in there. On the night that we arrived, we didn't get to the hotel until about 8 p.m, so we did grab a quick dinner for the night. As well as this, there is a gift shop, and the gift shop has lots of stuff that's exclusively Toy Story Hotel, plus other merchandise that you might want to get for your trip, or mini ears, all those sorts of things that you want to take into the park as well. So lots of cute things in here too. If you are doing a Disney vacation package, there are some tokens that you get to redeem for exclusive souvenirs. And this gift shop is one of the places you can redeem them so that you don't have to do it inside the park. We just headed down to the supermarket to grab ourselves some dinner since we got in pretty late tonight. So we got a little something, just a light dinner. So I got a salad, and Simon got like a little mini ramen type of thing, which they heated up for him in the microwave downstairs. So that was good. And then we've also got our breakfast already for tomorrow, which we've got some pancakes and some yogurt. So we can head in for our happy entry into this end of the morning. The Toy Story Hotel is just a 5-minute walk to the Disney Resort Line monorail station, which you can see from our hotel room. And there's also lots of cool things to see around the hotel. So there are, I say playgrounds, but they're not really playgrounds. They're more of just really just cool scenes to make you feel like you are a toy amongst Andy's toys. So there's the big one down out near the car park, which is Slinky Dog Park, and then there's also one to the rear of the building as well, and they're just amazing for taking photos. If you're looking for the perfect Instagram shot, you will have so many options at this hotel. It is such a cool hotel. The details are just next level. And of course, if you're heading to Disneyland or Disney Sea, It is just super convenient to stay at a Disney hotel. And for guests that are staying at Toy Story Hotel, if you are going to Disneyland, you can often get happy entry, which is 15 minutes earlier entry into the park on the day of your stay. Some of the other hotels only have early entry into Disney Sea instead, so this one is only Disneyland, and it's not every single day of the year, so you do have to check whether or not you are eligible to do that on the particular day. It is our second full day at Toy Story Hotel, and I just want to show you some of the cool little details. So we actually moved rooms last night, so we had a different room booked for our vacation package compared to our first night. This one's actually smaller. Not smaller, the room's the same size, it doesn't have the same pull-out bed down bottom as the other one. It only has the one trundle bed, so whoops, which is a pity because the beds are really small. But in saying that, the room is the same size, but it's fine. We're making it work. We have a different view too, so we have a view of the Tokyo Bay this time instead of the playground. So not as fun of a view, but still an okay view. So I just want to show you some of the cool little details that they have inside the rooms, because these are extremely themed rooms. So excuse our mess, we did just not long get out of bed, but just the little details on the beds, for example. So they've all got like Woody's scarf bandana thing pattern, and then even his outfit on the bed skirts, which is very cute. Of course, you've got the giant Etch-a-Sketch TV, which is a functioning TV, and then the wallpaper with cute clouds and all the themed little character pictures. You've got Buzz over there, a hand-drawn style Woody and Buzz stamp style one here, Rex, and you've got these coat hangers here which are also functional and very cute. Even the do not disturb sign. So just these little small details that are really adorable. You got the puzzle wallpaper in the toilet and the bathroom, and the little bubbles that light up the mirror. And in your bathroom with the penguin there. And you do get your little toiletry packages as well. There's sort of a hairband in them, which I think is genius. And then what else? The shape of the bed frame is very cool, very Western. Bedside table is like a stack of, I don't know, colourful things. You got the Mickey clock up here. And then of course there are the pajamas. So you get your Buzz pajamas to wear, which is a lot of fun. Even the curtains with star print, and then you've got these big star details on the roof as well. So all of these details were in both of the rooms we stayed in. So they are very consistent across the theming in all of the rooms, even if they have the different format style of the room. So it's really cool, really fun. Things is the fact that you do get to use pajamas while you were staying at the Toy Story Hotel, and they are Buzz Lightyear themed pajamas. So they're like this waffle material. They're surprisingly quite comfortable and quite cool to wear. So those are the adults ones, and you do get these slippers to wear as well, and you get to keep the slippers. So they're so cute how they have Andy written on the foot, just like in the movies with Woody's shoe. So I love that. And the fact that it's a really cute little souvenir as well. So obviously you don't get to keep the pajamas. You can buy them in the shop, I believe, though. If you have kids, though, they don't provide the kids' pajamas in the room. You do need to request them at guest services because of the sizing. They have 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, and they're actually quite small still. So they do ask you based on height and whatnot. And they're more of a toweling material instead of the waffle material of the adults ones. And then they have their own little slippers, which are quite petite. So the pajamas fit my daughter, but the shoes were a bit too small, but still a very cute little keepsake as well. So that's just the difference with the pajamas. There is also a restaurant on site at the hotel. This is Lotso's Garden Cafe, and it is a buffet restaurant. So it is mostly open for buffet breakfasts, although I believe it does open for buffet lunch on weekends and perhaps during the holiday period. You can reserve your spot by getting a ticket from the ticket machine out the front. Otherwise, if you are doing a Disney vacation package, you've usually got that included. So that's why we went there on our second and our third morning. It's got quite a variety of food. It's a combination of Western food and Japanese food. Some of it was a little bit strange for what you would have for breakfast, and the kids didn't find a lot that they liked, but yeah, it was a bit of fun to try some different things while we were there, and it was cute as well. You can see this is in the Buzz section of the hotel, so where we stayed for our second and third night. and all the theming is different to when you're staying in the Woody wing. Overall, we absolutely loved our stay at the Toy Story Hotel. It might not have been the biggest hotel, but the theming was amazing, and it was just so much fun to stay somewhere that had that level of theming, plus the convenience of being right near the Disney parks.